Replacement of the SH-B9100R DC power supply socket. Remove the power supply bracket and DC power socket. Remove the upper cover. Remove the screws fixing the iron pipe. Lift the iron instrument pipe upward and disconnect the wires inside the iron pipe. Secure the power cable with a rope. Disconnect the DC cable terminals and remove the DC power cable. Replace a new DC power cable. Connect the terminal of the DC power cable. Lift the power cord with a rope. Thread the rope through the iron pipe and secure the wireless charging power cable to the rope above. Connecting the wires inside the iron pipe. Push the wire into the iron pipe. Reinstall the instrument iron pipe. Reinstall the screws for the fixed instrument iron pipe. Reinstall the upper cover. Reinstall the rubber sleeve.